Ice cream, derived from earlier iced cream or cream ice, is a sweetened frozen food typically eaten as a snack or dessert. It may be made from dairy milk or cream and is flavored with a sweetener, either sugar or an alternative, and any spice, such as cocoa or vanilla. Colorings are usually added, in addition to stabilizers. The mixture is stirred to incorporate air spaces and cooled below the freezing point of water to prevent detectable ice crystals from forming. The result is a smooth, semi-solid foam that is solid at very low temperatures, below 2°C or 35 F. It becomes more malleable as its temperature increases. The meaning of the name ice cream varies from one country to another. Terms such as frozen custard, frozen yogurt, sorbet, gelato, and others are used to distinguish different varieties and styles. In some countries, such as the United States, ice cream applies only to a specific variety, and most governments regulate the commercial use of the various terms according to the relative quantities of the main ingredients, notably the amount of cream. mixed in other countries, such as Italy and Argentina. One word is used for all variants. Analogues made from dairy alternatives, such as goat's or sheep's milk, or milk substitutes. Example, soy, cashew, coconut, almond milk, or tofu, are available for those who are lactose intolerant, allergic to dairy protein, or vegan. Ice cream may be served in dishes, for eating with a spoon, or licked from edible cones. Ice cream may be served with other desserts, such as apple pie, or as an ingredient in ice cream floats, sundaes, milkshakes, ice cream cakes, and even baked items, such as baked Alaska. Ice cream was made possible only by the discovery of the endothermic effect. Prior to this, cream could only be chilled but not frozen. It was the addition of salt that lowered the melting point of ice, which had the effect of drawing heat from the cream and allowing it to freeze. Ice cream is a colloidal emulsion made with water, ice, milk fat, milk protein, sugar and air. Water and fat have the highest proportions by weight, creating an emulsion that has dispersed phase as fat globules. The emulsion is turned into foam by incorporating air cells, which are frozen to form dispersed ice cells.